we're spelling out the word creative. Creative, the C is for courageous, the R is for real, the E is for embrace. Okay, now who can tell me what the A stands for? So why did I use anthologies? Because I wanted to use stories, but I don't have an S in creative. So I'm using anthologies, which are the same, can be the same as stories. Every time we talk about speaking, every single time without a doubt, every acronym I ever do, it's going to have stories of some kind. Stories, examples, analogies, and anthologies, or whatever they're called. Little story, tiny stories, bigger stories, your personal story, story, always. Because guess what? At the end of the day, when they leave, they're going to remember two things. So they'll remember how you felt, how they felt, and the stories you tell. So always, always add a testimonial, a short one, add, anything. So it doesn't have to be this, some big old elaborate story about yourself or what happened to you, but it can be what happens to the client.